Today is 2025, November 20. Here is Jane with the preschool book number 8, vehicles, the cars. Let's do a higher level test. Miss Lucy say English, you say Chinese. Bicycle, bike.
自行车
Motorcycle,
摩托车
car,
自行车
car,
car 小汽车
jeep,
jeep 吉普车
crossing country car,
crossing country car that is a big one but I remember the English 吉拖几乎小
Next one. Racing car.
racing car 跑车
Hey,
He's
next
making
one.
me
Taxi, yeah.
taxi 出租车
Ambulance, go that way.
let's see
Yeah, go that way. I don't want to bother him. Hey, go that way. Go to the bin chair. You don't know?
Da-
Ambulance.
ambulance sus
Police
no
car.
not
Police car.
police car 警车
Fire engine.
fire engine 就小 wait no 大小棒车
Yes. And how to say ambulance?
ambulance
You mentioned it just now.
护 no 救护车
Yes.
救护车
And watering car.
watering car is香蕉 no 香
Next one. The big truck. Larry.
Larry 货车
You're right. And the truck.
truck
The yellow one. Truck.
the yellow truck the货
No, you say
no
lorry.
no
What this is?
Larry is 卡车
You are right. Tractor.
拖拉机
The cement truck.
cement truck
Mixer truck.
自行车
No, 自行车 is a bicycle.
Wait, no. Cement truck is 小棒车
No.
No, that's fire engine.
Yes.
I keep getting it mixed up. Skip. This. No, not that. I keep saying
Let that go. It will be there. Like the passenger truck. Oh, it's not truck. Coach. It's a big, big bus, but for long distance.
coach.
Yes.
Always coach is no. No. Why do I keep saying fire engine and the bike on different
Because
things?
those in your brain, they never go. Like bus.
Bus 公共汽车
Train.
train wait train is 书护车护车
No.
no 下对
Sheep.
sheep wait sheep
Sheep. Yeah.
what is sheep
Boat or ship.
ship 轮船
Flight. Plane.
飞机
Metro.
metro 地铁
Train.
货车
The turn.
货
No.
喂火
火车, right? The train. 火车. Goes down. That is Larry, right? 火车. Next one. Car.
car Wait. Car is she. Wait, no. I know it. So,
It's like 大小 use one of them. Car.
car is
Car 是小汽车。
小汽车
Coach.
coach. I keep forgetting coach.
It's not 小 it's 大。
大客
Yeah, 大客。Do you think he'll pass?
No.
No.
But because
you need to practice a little more, right?
Wait, what was the one that I got wrong?
You got wrong a lot. You don't know
How-
many.
Wait,